Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I have the video about the Lip Shine Lacquer by Kylie Cosmetics. I have the colors Felt Cute, the 728, and the Don't At Me, the 416. This is the Felt Cute. Oh shit. Okay, don't be too enthusiastic because your whole thing is... Oh, I see what happened now. Okay, people. That little cap that needs to be here is now up there. Okay, I can't get it back. I don't feel cute anymore because my lipstick is broken now. So I'm going to get a spoolie for it and use it like that. So I am going to begin with the Felt Cute color. Oh, that glides on very smooth. It really glides on very easily on your lip. It is really moist. It is very smooth. It is still playable. Because it's called a Shine Lip Lacquer, I am curious if this is going to be stuck on my lip and won't budge anymore. Let's start with the Don't At Me color. Not every red color suits me, so I'm very curious about this one. This one I can apply with his own wand. Maybe you noticed I never use a lip liner with lipsticks when I try it out because I want to know how they are responding on their own. So do they need help or not? And I know if you use a lip liner you don't have that much chance of bleeding. But I had in the past that it still bled although there were a lip liner around it. So, but I just want to know what is the full potential of a lip lacquer or lipstick. So that's why I don't use them when I test them. This one is really red. It's not my red. This is more the orangey red. And I prefer more with the blue undertones. This one is also very creamy. The pigmentation is really there. I like the pigmentation of these lipsticks. The only thing what I want to know is what is the wear? The wear hours. Do they say that or not? So I'm going to check that out. They don't mention a wearability of 16 hours or so. They only say that it's a non-sticky formula and that it glides on very easily, and that's true. It's a lightweight texture and it feels comfortable on the lips and gives a shiny glowy finish. That's true as well because it shines, it glows, it voluptuous, if you will say. They say it softens the lines and let the lips look fuller. I don't know if that's true. I still can see lines, but that's normal. Lips has texture and you don't want to get rid of the texture. It is there, it's natural, and it just has a pretty finish. Let's say that it has a pretty finish. Gives in one movement a highly pigmented color payoff. It was not in one movement because I had to work for it. I think I went in for 6 times, but maybe that's because it's new and there's not a lot of product on my wand yet. It contains hyaluronic acid and that one gives you softer and fuller lips. It's vegan and there are no animal ingredients in it, so that's a plus too. So this formula is non-sticking. It has a little bit of tackiness, but it's not that bad as say a lip gloss. I don't have that effect that your lips are staying close together. So that's why they call it a lip lacquer, I think. But in real, it is not a stable lip lacquer. So it is a hybrid, I think, between a gloss and a lip lacquer. So I'm not mad at it. I like them. They are juicy and shine very pretty. This was the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions about this product or another product you'd like me to review, please leave it down below in the description box and I will look into that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!